go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? We're finna go into Harbor Freight and do something a little different. I hope they'll let us record. That's gonna be your camera person right there.
But I'm wearing my Giga Maggies.
Yeah, she's special needs.
What are you wearing?
We'll be in there in a minute. Alright, lifers. We're gonna see if we can make as cheap as possible survival kit from Harbor Freight. Right now we're looking at some rope. Trying to find the right rope. I was kind of looking for paracord. But let's see what this is. 50 foot, glow in the dark, 1/4. That ain't heavy enough. Alright, you cut. Okay. $2. Let's see. No, $3. Paracord. It's not real paracord. It's knockoff. Because its working rate's only 160 pounds. It should be 550. But we're gonna make that work. Okay, I always see them do these videos, and they never can find anything easy to carry and cheap to carry it in. Here we go. Because they do sell a backpack here at Harbor Freight, but it's $179. I don't know what's special about it, but here we go. We're using this because it's also a seated camp. Alright, flashlight takes AA or let's see, AAA batteries. Need it. It's 200 lumens. That's bright enough to do anything you need to do around camp. It's $7.99. They have some rechargeable ones that would probably be better, but they're $19, and we're trying to do this on a budget. In the bucket. Gotta have cover. Gotta have something over your head. $4.99. Thin. They've got a camouflage one that is 5 mil. This is 4 mil, but they're out of stock. Y'all know I would buy the camo if they had it. But this is the size I want for a shelter right here. Okay. If you're gonna camp, survive, whatever, you need a knife. Everybody's gonna run over here and they're gonna do a video on this knife. This knife's garbage. If you were gonna get a knife, a fixed blade knife here, get this one. Don't torture test it. I see people torture testing it. Don't. It's not a buck. It just looks like a buck. Don't torture test it. Okay. But I'm real, and I want to survive. And yeah, you need a pocket knife. So we're gonna get this that you can change out the blades, heavy duty handle, and it's $4.99. I'll show you here in a minute why I picked this as opposed to some other stuff. Something to lay on or to keep you warm at night. It's a moving blanket, $6. Or well, $5.79. It'll work in a pinch. Going in the bucket. Okay. Gloves. Gotta have them. These aren't the best ones in the world, but for $5 they'll work. If you're gonna be working with your hands, you need gloves. In the back bucket. This is why I got the little knife. You can do everything with this hatchet, and that needs to be sharp because it's dull. So you're gonna have to have a file to sharpen it. But you can do everything. Choke up, do fine woodwork. Or choke all the way down and split wood. It'll do everything. And it's $12. And it's pretty decently built. Alright. We'll tell you what everything costs when we check out. As far as I know, Harbor Freight doesn't sell lighters, so we're gonna get this. Old school magnesium fire starter. You just scrape the magnesium off, strike it, and you got a massive fire started sun. But we're gonna look up front and make sure they don't sell cigarette lighters. In the budget. Okay. This is going into the camp or into the bucket too. Man, that'll be so nice around if you're stranded and you need light. That'll be nice. Not to have to run your flashlight down. Sometimes you can find them that are solar charged, not at Harbor Freight, but like Amazon or somewhere. This is a nice camp thing. In the bucket. Alright, almost forgot. Duct tape. We gotta have duct tape for everything. In the bucket. And we're gonna bring y'all a closing when we see how much we spent. Okay. Anybody that can guess within 25 cents of what I spent, pause the video right now and I'll send you something free, like a hug. But if y'all can guess, I was pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna put it to you like this. I see a bunch of people do the $100 and that's what they generally spend, and we didn't spend near that. Okay, the only problem you got, Harbor Freight used to sell water bowl or stainless steel dog water bowls. They don't anymore, so you're screwed there. You don't have any way to boil water. They used to sell bottled water. I can boil water in a bottled, plastic bottle. I know how to do that. I'll teach y'all if y'all want to learn. But they don't sell water there anymore either. So you're kind of screwed. You're gonna have to get you a container, which every grown man ought to have a container of some sort. Single wall, stainless water bottle of some sort or something. Me, I have a bush pot, but you need that. You can get that anywhere. But anyway, if y'all guessed $65.14, y'all are correct. And I'll send you a hug. Just put it in the comments. The hatchet, which probably when you use it very much, you're gonna need a file, which would have been another $5 because it's kind of dull, but I think I got a file at the house. If not, I'll buy another one. The bucket, wow. Been seeing these people do these Harbor Freight survival videos for 10 years. I've never seen anybody smart enough to get the bucket. The bucket carries everything, keeps everything together. You can fold everything down and put it somewhere. They didn't sell lids there, but you can go anywhere and get a lid, put a lid on it, put it in the back, in the trunk of the car, and you're ready to go in an emergency. The only thing you gotta add is something to boil water. That's it. Got the fire striker, the magnesium old school like me. That was $1.69. Moving blanket, $5.79. Gloves, $5. Tarp, $5. The little knife with the razor blade for fine work, $5. Paracord, $2.99. Only thing I suggest, if this is a real emergency kit, go buy some good paracord. The pen light, $7.99. Collapsible lantern. They're awesome. I've been using them for 100 years, $5. I've got one in my camp kit that I've seriously had for 3 years. I've never replaced the batteries in it. It just keeps working. And it came from the Freight of Harbor. Yeah, I think I got everything I need, pretty sure. Now, if you wanted to get fancy, they've got a kit that you can put in the bucket where you can have shit on the outside and all that and be fancy, but this is basic. This is probably something you're gonna put in your car, never use, but next video, or a video coming soon, I'm gonna go survive overnight with it. The only thing I'm gonna have to add is something to boil water with. So that'll be coming in hot. And I filmed another video in the Freedom Harbor too. So we'll check y'all later. Like, share, subscribe. Go check Maria's channel out. She's been running the camera today. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
She kills me. Alright, like, share, subscribe. For sure, subscribe to both channels, and we're going.